Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very cold Bedford Autodrome. Today is my first track day of the year in the Tiger Avon that you see behind me. Those of you that follow the channel will see that I was up at Sanspeed tuning earlier in the week, getting the car on the rolling road. Very happy with the results from that. So today is really it's a shakedown day. I'm very fortunate to have the good folks from Leyland Automotive with me today who will be helping me to tweak the car, adjust some settings and just find out what is working and what still needs work. It's going to be a slow and steady day. I'll of course be filming everything from inside the car and I'll give you updates as we go throughout the day. Let's get into it. So it's been quite an eventful morning. We've just come back from lunch. The car has performed pretty well this morning. We found a few issues as we've gone along. We've spent a lot of the time this morning just adjusting the tyre pressures, adjusting the suspension. We think we're winning now. A few more sessions out and we think we'll have that sorted. I say sorted, I mean sorted for a dry track. We'll then kind of record all those settings and keep a note. Then we'll have to do this whole process all over again if ever we go out and it's a bit damp, for example. I'm just going to head out now for the afternoon sessions. I'm hoping to get another 5 or 6 sessions in before 5 o'clock. Okay guys, well we're halfway through the afternoon session now. We really think we've got the tyres now where they need to be. We've dropped them down to 19 psi at the front and 21 at the rear, and that's made such a difference now when I'm out on track. I have so much more confidence now going into the corners and through the corners and under braking. So I'm going to head out now for a few more laps. Now we've got the tyre pressures where we think they need to be, and then really just start to try and tweak the suspension. It's going to be the next order, and after we think we've got the suspension where it needs to be, we're going to start playing around with the brake bias. I've got it now that the tyres are at the right setting. I find that it's not locking up so much going into corners, which is good, but still when we come back in, the rear brakes, they're not as hot as we expected them to be. So we're going to put a bit more bias to the rear, see what that does to the overall handling of the car, and adjust accordingly. I'll keep you posted. day for us. It has been a fantastic day here at Bedford. The car has performed fantastically, really happy. We've got the tyre pressures now where we need them to be a lot lower than I was running on previous cars, so it just shows how far out I was on my previous cars, but that just comes with the experience of having a mechanic like Dave from Leyland Automotive with me for the day. The carbs have been okay today. Those of you that follow my channel know that actually we found out when we went to do the tune that the carbs on the car aren't the perfect carbs for that car. And they've been okay, a little bit spluttery and stuff, but I think I'm kind of sold on the view of going down the throttle body route, and I'll look to do that in the coming months. So overall, very good day, very happy with how the car has performed. I have been keeping up with most things out on track today. We still have the issue, I suppose, of warmth in the front tyres, but then there's bugger all weight going over the front of the car, so I mean that's going to be just something I'm going to have to live with, I think. Yeah, until next time guys, I'll be back here at Bedford in just over a week's time, so watch out for that video. Cheers guys, see you soon.